Welcome to New Creation Gospel Mission Daily Devotional, Monday, 16th March 2026. Topic, When Brethren Dwell Together. Memory verse, Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. Psalm 133, verse 1. Hymn 245, Jesus loves me, this I know. Bible reading, Genesis 13, verses 1 to 8. And Abram went up out of Egypt, he and his wife and all that he had, and Lot with him, into the south. And Abram was very rich in cattle, in silver, and in gold. And he went on his journeys from the south, even to Bethel, unto the place where his tent had been at the beginning, between Bethel and Hai, unto the place of the altar which he had made there at the first, and there Abram called on the name of the Lord. And Lot also, which went with Abram, had flocks and herds and tents. And the land was not able to bear them, that they might dwell together, for their substance was great, so that they could not dwell together. And there was a strife between the herdsmen of Abram's cattle and the herdsmen of Lot's cattle, and the Canaanite and the Perizzite dwelled then in the land. And Abram said unto Lot, Let there be no strife, I pray thee, between me and thee, and between my herdsmen and thy herdsmen, for we be brethren. Message. After leaving Egypt, Abram returned to Bethel, to the very altar he had built when he first arrived in the land. This return was deeply significant. It was not merely a geographical move, but a spiritual repositioning. Abram went back to the place of worship and renewed his call upon the name of the Lord. No matter how far a season of difficulty may carry you, God always honors the heart that finds its way back to the altar. Both Abram and Lot had been blessed greatly. Their flocks, herds, and possessions had multiplied to the point where the land could not contain them both. Abundance, which should have been a cause for celebration, became the source of tension between their herdsmen. This is a reminder that prosperity without wisdom and humility can become a breeding ground for conflict, even among those who love one another. The strife between the herdsmen of Abram and Lot did not go unnoticed. The Canaanite and the Perizzite were living in that same land. The world was watching. When believers allow conflict and bitterness to take root among them, they weaken their witness before a watching world. Unity among God's people is not just a spiritual blessing, it is also a powerful testimony to the world around us. Abram responded to the conflict with remarkable wisdom and grace. He appealed to their shared identity as brethren and refused to allow a dispute over land to poison their relationship. He took the initiative to pursue peace rather than waiting for Lot to act first. This is the character of a mature believer, one who values relationship above personal advantage and chooses peace even at personal cost. Central truth: unity among God's people is both a spiritual blessing and a powerful testimony to the world around us. Prayer. Lord, teach me to be a peacemaker in every relationship. Where strife threatens to divide, give me the wisdom and grace to pursue unity. Let my life honor you before those who are watching. Bible in 1 year, Deuteronomy chapters 14 to 16. May the Lord bless His word. Until tomorrow again, stay blessed and rapturable.